Hi everyone, so today we have Blaupunkt Augsburg SQR 29 from 1980s, and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. We kept all original looks. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Works just fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Camera don't focus, but all lights are okay. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, you have to switch from the FM mode to middle waves, which we don't use any longer, okay? So this button, okay, it's very simple. Simply press this button. Now the Bluetooth is activated. You can go on your cell phone, go to Bluetooth, wait a couple seconds. Here it is. That's it. Now it's connected. Now we'll go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? Let's change the song. That's it. It's very simple. When you want to back to your regular radio FM mode, simply press this button and you're back to FM mode again. Very simple to use. Okay guys, thumbs up.